When I try to install any apps, we can see that there is a notification here. Operation did not complete successfully because the file containing a virus or potentially unwanted software. And you can see it. Now I'll show how to fix it. First of all, go to the settings, then update and security, and you can see the Windows Defender. Now just simply turn off the real-time protection, then I go back and now I try to install. Yes, this app is now installing. Thanks for watching. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel. Hope enjoy and carry on.